Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson 4 of grammar, that is determiners. Students, do you know what is determiners? So, determiners is a word that is used to specify a noun in some way. Okay, that is used before a noun. Student, you are aware? Noun. So, determinus is a word that is used before a noun, before name, place, person, thing. So, a specific word that is used before a noun and tell us whether the noun phrase is specific or general. He tried to give the importance of noun phrase. So, determiners are either specific or general. It tells us the quantity, possessions and demonstrate noun. Clear, students? So now, students, there are determiners are of 6 kinds. First one, articles, demonstratives, possessives, interrogatives, quantifiers and distributives. So there are 6 kind of determiners. So students, the first one is articles. So articles, are you aware? There are 3 kinds of articles, a and the. Students, you are aware about a and the? So a and n are the indefinite articles because there is a not specify or particular person or thing. Because when we use article a and the, so these are indefinite, there is a no surety. So, this is a book. This is an elephant. The is definite article because it's talk about specific thing or person. When we want to talk about the things that are not specific, we will use a or an. On the things that are specific, we will use the. So, this is the book you bought for me. It's a specify. This is the elephant which was rescued from the zoo yesterday. Specific elephant, so the elephant. Student, now start. I am telling about where you can use a and n. So how do you recognize the a or n use? So let's start. The indefinite article are used with single countable nouns. Where is a singular countable nouns, a is used. That is, a is used with a consonant sound. You are aware about the vowel and consonant? So, vowel a, e, I, o, u and consonants remaining. So, but you have to attention on the sound. So, a European, a university, a one-eyed man. Student, European में य sound, university य sound. That's why a is used here. Student, n is used before the vowel sound. Vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. So, an orange, an American, an umbrella. N is also used before the silent H. Where is silent H? So, n is used. An R, an honest man, an honorable man. Students, n is also used with abbreviations. When we want to write in a short form, so abbreviations, so n is used. He is an MA, she is an MAd, and she is an MLA. When we want to talk about the person's profession, when we want to talk about the any person profession, so a or n, according to the vowel and consonant sound, we will use. He is an engineer, she is a doctor. When we want to tell about the number, quantity expression of someone, so number or quantity. I go to the gym 5 days in a week. She will be there in half an hour. A or n used with the possessiveness. She is a possessive, mine, yours, these are the possessive words. So a or n. She is a friend of mine. A specific friend. That's a relatives of Sanvi's. Now, use of the. The is a definite article. So, The is used when we wanna tell about the person, to identify the thing or person we are talk about, to specify the thing or a person. When we wanna specify or anything, so that is a the. I met the boy who organized your party. The boy was specific, so I met the boy. I have bought the house which we saw last year, so specific house. We use the when it is clear to listener which person or thing we mean. The is used when we wanna tell the listener that is the specific the person or thing. Have you met the boy? The specific boy means give me the book. So a specific book, so the book. The is used to generalize a class. When we wanna tell about the entire class, so the is used. The cow is a holy animal. We should not insult the poor. So entire class of poor, the poor. When the is used before the adjectives, help the poor. The English are famous for the beautiful skin. It's indicate the nationality or a class. About a particular class, to generalize the class, we will use the. Students, the is also used before the superlatives degree. Superlatives degree, the best, the biggest, the highest. So est, he is the best player around. Now the is used also with the unique things, the earth, the planet, the solar system, the sky. These are the unique. The is used before the names of countries, states, oceans, mountains, rivers. The Andaman and Nicobar Island before the name of countries, states, mountains, oceans, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean. It is used with adjective, the rich, the sick, the poor. It is also used before the name of the organizations, corporations, magazines and newspapers. The Haryana Roadways organizations, the Times of India, name of newspaper, the Indian Railways. It is used with the sacred books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib. It is also used with the names of trains, aeroplanes, companies, the Jet Airways, the Jan Shatabdi, the Garib Rath Express. So, the use of the. Students, now the zero article, the specific place where we will not use the, a and the. There is no use of any article. The zero article before the institutions such as hospital, university, college, where we are using for a specific purpose, studying, medical treatment. So she will have to stay in hospital till she recovers completely. So it is used for medical treatment. So a and the, there is no use of any article. They are making a hospital near our house. So it says hospital is a hospital, so a is used. See, she goes to college every day, though it is a far from her place. So she goes to college every day because college is specified. There is a no specific, so college is a regular place we are using for studying purpose. So there is no article. Apart from this, we will not use any article before any month of the year or days of the week. Last Monday, I was not in Delhi. She joined a new school in July. Before the name of seasons, when you are talking about any season, so there is no use of any article. Winter season in India is become really short because of greenhouse effects. Monsoon season is a big fun for kids. When we are telling about a particular time of day like midnight, moon night, midday, so no article. She met in the morning, afternoon. We are going back in the afternoon. So no use of article. Zero article when we talk about meals. When we want to talk about the meals, so zero article. What should I cook for lunch? Lunch, dinner, anything. We don't use article with proper noun. When we proper noun, student, specify. specific name, thing, place. So proper, that is tell about, we will call it by specific name. So proper noun. Switzerland is the beautiful place. So Switzerland is a proper noun, so there is a no article. But when we wanna tell and compare it with something else, so the is used. Kashmir is the Switzerland of the India, because we are comparing the Kashmir with the Switzerland, so that's why the is used. Suppose proper noun, Sachin Tendulkar is a world famous cricketer, so the a and the no use of article. Varun is the Sachin Tendulkar of our team. So Varun is comparing with the Sachin Tendulkar, so the is used here. When we want to tell about any material noun, so there is no use of article. Or abstract nouns, when we want to tell about the abstract nouns or material noun, no use of article. Beauty needs no ornament. Beauty is a abstract noun. Clear? Wood is used for making furniture. Material noun, wood. So, but when we particularize them, when we are giving the particular, so the beauty of Kashmir is mesmerizing. Okay. The wood used in making the bed is of higher quality. So these are the difference. But keep in mind, there is a no article used before the means, abstract noun, material noun, before the proper noun, before the days, midnight, season. So there is a no article will be used.